Welcome to Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. The basic aim of Maharashtra University of Health Sciences is to develop and spread various medical facilities in every corner of the state along with new research. For this noble cause, the Gene Health Lab was established at Pune by acquiring a heritage property on long lease from IDRAL.
ही बिल्डिंग आपण महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ सायन्सेसला या निमित्ताने वापरायला देतोय की ज्याच्यामध्ये संशोधनाचं काम हे कॅन्सर रिसर्चचं काम हे त्यांच्या बाजूने जसं चालेल तसं इथल्याच ओपीडीमध्ये आपण आपले आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर हे काही त्यांच्या विषयांमध्ये त्यांना मदत करण्याकरता इथे ओपीडी चालू करतील आणि त्याचेही सगळे जे काय निरीक्षणं आहेत ती आपण त्याचं स्टँडर्डायझेशन प्रमाणे पुढे त्याचा उपयोग करून घेऊन इथे क्लिनिकल लॅबोरेटरी आणि क्लिनिकल रिसर्चपर्यंत आपण पोहोचायला पाहिजे हा उद्देश समोर ठेवून ही जागा आपण महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ सायन्सेसला देत आहोत.
The bungalow belonged to the eminent surgeon Dr. K.C. Gharpure, who had bequeathed it to a trust in 1989 for patient care and cancer research. Retaining the heritage facade and renovating the interiors, a state-of-art genetic and molecular lab was set up by the university as approved by management. This lab will ensure diagnostic facilities at nominal charges for patients, especially with cancer and those with inherited genetic disorders. It will run users for healthcare professionals for capacity building in molecular diagnostic methods as well as train clinicians for the use and interpretation of genetic tests. A chair of excellence set up at the center has started working towards search in the field of cancer with Dr. Anuradha Chogale, the first chair professor.
This Gene Health Laboratory is well accomplished with the high technology like real-time PCR, Sanger sequencing and the fluorescent microscope. By using this various advanced technology, we will be doing the diagnosis for the genetic disorders like thalassemia, sickle cell anemia and as well as the dystrophy patients. Similarly, we will be also conducting the molecular diagnostic test for the oncology patients. This will help to have an advanced therapy for the patients, and this is the main focus. Apart from this, we also have the research to be conducted over here, which will help for the advanced treatment for the various types of patients like for the genetic disorder and the cancer patients. Third thing is for the fellowship programs which will be conducted under the education system to have for the MD PhD students to know more about the precision oncology and to know more about the genetic disorder tests which are present in the diseases.
The overarching vision of aligning medical education and research to healthcare needs with inclusivity and equitability for access to the facilities have been kept in mind here. Clinicians will provide genetic counseling to the underserved patients across the state. It is hoped that through CSR and government schemes, the facility can be made available free of charge for the poor.
The future of clinical medicine is in precision medicine, for which we require molecular diagnostics and genetic for rare diseases. With this in mind, the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences has established a Gene Health Lab. At present, these tests are available in private laboratories which cost a packet. In the future, this lab is going to be a boon for poor patients as well as teach students how to get these tests done.
This initiative of Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Nashik, has a dream to fulfill and is a ray of hope for patients and students.